A 3.3% drop in render is likely by June 16, according to Traders Union. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Render has moved higher by 4.2% since yesterday and trades close to $1.845. Now let's explore the forecast section. Coin price forecast expects an increase toward $1.90 tomorrow, which marks a gain of about 3%. Render could advance toward $1.85, according to CoinLore, approximately 0.3% up. CoinCodex points out it could move lower to $1.832, about 0.7% beneath current levels. A different projection from Traders Union sees render dropping toward $1.785, a decrease of about 3.3%. And in closing coin data flow suggests the price may dip to $1.77 by tomorrow, 4.1% below now. This is the most profitable return estimate. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. Based on the forecasts we've just reviewed, the potential swing in price may be from a drop of 4.1% to a rise of 3%, depending on the analyst. All in all, CoinDataFlow ends up with the highest return with 4.1% uplift in value by June 16. To sum it up, you could receive between $3 and $41 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probability, CoinLore ranks highest with a 99.2% chance of success. Combining all 5 forecasts, I've prepared a single consensus outlook. The consensus projection shows render settling around $1.827. Let's take a closer look. The consensus projection places the price down about 1%. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 1%. If you put in $1,000, the move might result in around $10 gained. In addition, this consensus outlook for render carries a probability of about 98.8%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. Coin price forecast points to the price breaking higher in the short term. Meanwhile, CoinLore anticipates render following a bullish course. Similarly, CoinCodex projects continued upside pressure. Traders Union describes the near-term path as bearish. Additionally, CoinDataFlow suggests render will retreat from current levels. The consensus brings analyst forecasts together and points to render moving higher over the next 3 days. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for render. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Let's see which ones held up yesterday. In the end, the daily session finished at $1.806. Only 2 predictions turned out right. By accuracy standards, coin price forecast came out strongest. Let's put all the pieces in place. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above zero, and CoinCodex had the highest return of 3.9%. Here's the daily summary. How each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Looking at the summary, coin price forecast registered 3.9% ROI and $0.104 accuracy. Have a look and decide which forecast came truest to life. Let's see how tomorrow's projected performance compares among several cryptocurrencies. Render stays below the leader, with Zcash showing 6%. For now, you can see render next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set is already featured on my website. That's it for today. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's forecasts. See you soon.